Hi, I'm Dylan from the Paper Pilots, and I'm here today to find the winner of the 2018 Aeroplane Jelly Paper Plane Challenge. Now, there were some amazing entrants this year, and I had to go through all of the designs to find the most innovative, creative, and most likely plane to win in a distance championships. Now, I found 5 planes from all over Australia, and I'm going to be testing them and measuring to see who is going to be the winner this year. So good luck to everyone who entered. Let's see how they flew. From Victoria, Tasmania category, we have Eric Nguyen with the E-Speeder. Now, this is a pretty scary, dangerous looking design. In fact, I think pretty well designed for the distance category. The reason for that, nice pointy end, very sharp wings, but if you look at the detail of that plane, I'm pretty impressed. Now let me introduce to you the Queensland entrant, Jack Hines with Glide High. Now if you look at this paper plane, you'll see it's nice and pointy, very carefully designed with some interesting winglets. And I'm interested to see how this flies because it looks pretty cool as well. Northern Territory and South Australia have an amazing entrant this year. Looks very simple, but this plane has been designed for speed, accuracy, and distance as well. Now this plane, the Grey Nurse, is an interesting design, I think inspired by some real planes that fly out there in the sky that you'll see from time to time. And all the way from Western Australia, we have Matilda Kraut with Soundcheck 2.0. Now an interesting design, totally different to the rest of the field, with its nice flat nose, wide wings, typically for gliders, and some interesting wing details as well. Now this could do anything, so I'm really excited to see how this one flies. Now from New South Wales, we have Zane McDonald with his Zane's Mini Jab. Now this is a pretty interesting design inspired by a lot of the darts, but you'll notice it has some wider wings. So he's trying to get something interesting going on with a cross between a glider and a dart. So we'll see how this one flies just in a moment. Now, Jack Hines from Queensland with Glide High was an impressive flight with some amazing turns. Now, 8 metres 23 is what Jack managed to fly. Now, Zane McDonald from New South Wales with his plane, Zane's Mini Jab, through 13 metres 15, which was an impressive flight. Now, from the Northern Territory, South Australia category, Thomas Peterson with the Grey Nurse was an amazing plane. Now, it went 14 metres 31, which is good enough for 3rd place. Now from Victoria, Tasmania, Eric Nguyen with this amazing plane, the E-Speeder, flew a grand total of 14 metres 88 centimetres. It's getting very, very close. Now the most amazing flight of the day, and the winner of this year's competition, is Matilda Kraut from WA with her plane Soundcheck 2.0. What an amazing flight it was. It was all around the hangar and eventually landed down on the ground ahead of everyone else's plane. So congratulations, Matilda. We'll be talking to you soon. And there you have it. That is the 2018 Aeroplane Jelly Paper Plane Design Challenge. Now thank you to every single person that submitted their videos. We enjoyed every single one. So make sure you keep folding, keep flying. Thanks again to Aeroplane Jelly for doing everything that they can to make paper planes an awesome sport. See you next year.